my name is Erica, and today I'm going to show you how to install these gorgeous knob replacements for your kitchen cabinets. Now, I upgraded my lighting in my kitchen not too long ago, and I knew when I installed the gold centerpiece that I was going to have to upgrade my knobs as well, and I could not be happier with the change. As you can see, they are stunning, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. It does come with the screws and everything you need. You are welcome to use the ones that come with your original cabinet if yours fit. If not, there are plenty here for you to use. So you're going to start by holding this knob and unscrewing the back of the original knob. You can also hold the screw in place and twist it. Now you're going to take your new knob, still holding your screw with the screwdriver, and you are done. To me, they just make a huge difference. The gold light fixture is so beautiful in here. And when you add the champagne brushed knobs, it is such a beautiful difference. To me, they catch the light differently. They reflect off of each other in a beautiful way, and I could not be happier with my upgrade. This was so simple and easy to do. It took me less than 5 minutes to change every single one of these, and they are such a huge difference in your space with little effort.